Question number 6. Find the exact speed of S. Exact speed of ship. The velocity of the ship is given 10I plus 15J. Velocity is given. Let's find the magnitude of the velocity, that is the speed of the ship. So square root of 10 square plus 15 square. The root of this is square root of 325. Here exact value. So write the answer as a third form. This is equal to square root of 25 times 13. So speed of the ship is 5 root 13 kilometer per hour. See the part B. Find the direction in which B is moving, giving your answer as a bearing to the nearest degree. Let's see, the velocity of the boat is enough to find out the bearing. So velocity is given minus 8 and 10. This is the direction of the boat. So let's see the x-axis and y-axis. This is the north. So this is 8 and 10 because this is 8 and this is 10. These details are enough to find out the bearing. So bearing is always angle from the north. Angle from the north. So let's find the theta. Theta is tan inverse of 10 by 8. So theta is 51.3 as 3 significant figure. So required bearing is just add the angle from the north. So this is the bearing. So we have to add 270 plus 51. So 270 plus 51, which is 321 degree. This is the bearing. See part C. Show that the time t hours after 9 a.m. SB equal to, what is S? S is the ship and B is the boat. Consider the ship and boat. Ship and boat are the two particles. The ship is considered as S and the boat is considered as B. The information is given. See here, the ship leaves harbor and moves. So where is the harbor? Harbor is at the origin. So velocity of the ship is given 10 and 15. Let's write here. Harbor is at the origin. So ship is at the origin. So initial position vector is 0, 0 because ship is at the origin. Here the velocity of the ship is given 10 and which is 10 and 15. Velocity of the ship is given. When after time, at any time t, the ship is initial position vector plus vt. So 10, 15 and t, because we know r equal to r naught plus vt. Here the ship is at any time t is 10 ti plus 15j, 15tj. This is the ship at any time t. At the same time we can find the boat at any time t. So boat is the initial position vector of the boat is r naught, which is given in the question, which is 50 and 10. So here r naught equal to 50 and 10. 50 and 10. And the velocity of the boat is given minus 8 and 10. Here boat at any point t. So r equal to, here also r naught 50 and 10 plus minus 8, 10 into t. So boat at any time t is here 50 minus 80 and 10 10t. Now we can find, because the question is, see the question, SB, show that, here the question is, show that SB equal to, let us show the answer. So SB equal to 50 minus 80, 10 plus 10t minus, yes, that is 10t and 15t. Let's take the difference of this. So 50 minus 18t, 10 minus 5t. Let's write the answer as a IJ form. So SB equal to 50 minus 18t into I plus 10 minus 5t into j. This is the second part of the question. See the part D question. Show that B and S, boat and ship do not collide. They will not collide. So let's equate the components of the two vectors, because we know the ship is at any time t is 10t I plus 15tj, and the boat is at any time t is the component of I is 50 minus 80 into I plus 10 plus 10t into j. This is the component of j. Let's equate the both vectors, both components. So 10t equal to 50 minus 80. If the times are same at the I component and j component, they will collide. If they are not same, they will not collide. So 18t equal to 50, t equal to 50 by 18. So t equal to approximately it is 2.8 hours. At the same time, we can equate the j component also. So j components are 15t, which is equal to 10 plus 10t. Then 15 minus 10 is 5t equal to 10. So t equal to 2 hours. Here the times are different. This is different time. Times are different, so they do not collide. Times are different, so they do not collide. B and S do not collide. Do not collide. This is the last part of the question. See here, when B is northeast of S. Northeast, where is northeast? This is northeast, because this is north, this is east. So gradient of this direction is always equal to 1, because angle between these two, the northeast is 45 degree, tan 45 degree is 1. So let's see the gradient of SB equal to 1. So what is gradient? B by A or A by B? So gradient, let's find out the gradient. Gradient is 1, because tan 45 is 1. 10 minus 5t divided by 50 minus 18t equal to 1. By this calculation, we can find the time duration of the ship and boat. So 50 minus 18t equal to 10 minus 5t. So 50 minus 10 equal to minus 5t plus 18t. So t equal to 40 divided by 13. Let it be here, t equal to 40 divided by 13. We need to find out, the last part of the question is, find the value of d. What is d? The distance between S and B. Distance between S and B is d. So let's find out the distance between this SB. So we know the vector of SB. This is the vector of SB. So let's find the distance between by replacing the time t equal to 40 by 13. So vector SB is 50 minus 18t into I plus 10 minus 5t into j. So let's replace t equal to 40. So distance equal to square root of 50 minus 18 40 times 40 by 13 the whole square plus 10 minus 5 times 40 by 13 the whole square. By using the calculator, the distance equal to approximately 7.6 kilometer. This is the last part of the question.